Hey Maniacs, this video is a continuation from last week's footage. This Quarry is definitely one of the best local places to test the limits of this backcountry machine.
You found it.
I know, I'm all like nervous now, like fuck, I actually found it. And I'm like, where's the nice path that was easy for Ken to climb with Nadia's machine? I feel like that looks like sketchy. I don't want you to...
I'm not following, I'll just stay here. The only kicker is I'm gonna probably need something packed to get out, because like even right there is a hole.
Oh. Oh my god. This is crazy. Fuck. I went to the big shit over, there's the jump there.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, look at this, I'm like, I get like butterflies in my legs, I'm like, oh
Well,
fuck.
the lighting sucks now, because it's getting dark.
I know, yeah. Holy fuck.
I'm worried about turning around, but you know.
So to start, I decided to try and get the butterflies out of my legs by warming up my nerves in the powder. As you can see by my pathetic wipeouts doing very basic maneuvers, I was having trouble easing my nerves. Judging by the chuckles, my brother was clearly overjoyed by my jelly legs. At this point I said screw the carving, let's just climb up the hill the easy way and see what the conditions are like at the summit of the hill. Doesn't that D&D Power Pipes can sound phenomenal? I love hearing it echo through the forest.
Oh no. Are you stuck or broke?
I'm stuck!
Doggy paddle. We're gonna be a while.
Whoa! Fuck. It's so deep here. Like right down to the dirt. Son of a bitch. Yeah, it's way deeper than last year. Like way deeper. I might have got fucked on the hill. What? Oh, both. Well, if I walk around, it's over my knee. This thing's down to dirt. I'm thinking of rolling it.
Right there.
What?
Oh, they're right there.
Yeah, they don't know about this spot.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, I just fucked it over. Fuck.
Alright. To start, now we can two-handed
Over a bit.
kick it over here.
Fell through.
Our goal, we want to get the fucking skis that way.
Yeah.
And I think you can climb right up that.
Let's just see if my weight's not on it.
Then you have to wait for my side. I have to walk back downhill. Okay, on three. One. Wait. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Oh wow, good hustle.
I'm done. Help me. Alright, let's get the fucking front down.
Upon reviewing this footage, I realize now she looked ready to climb out if I had tried again after losing my footing. Switching to the other running board just made it dig a deeper hole into the dirt.
Alright, kill it again. Let's lift the ass up on that ridge where the skis just were. Still alive. Please don't kick rocks all over me. Oh, perfect. Alright, we got footprints from last time. Nothing spells family. Can't spell family without FM and L. So we're having some fun in the quarry or whatever this place is. It's very deep, as you can tell by my footprints. Like, I'll give you a little idea. That's actually nothing because I'm walking in the trail of his snowmobile. So now we're trying to, I don't even want to get on that thing because I don't want to stuff in, have to dig it out again. Now we're heading back down the hill.
So now we've got the Arctic free from its hole, we're out of daylight. It's time to grab the other machine and get it turned around without getting it stuck. So here I am doing a few laps to groom a trail for the short track machine, just to ensure nothing else delays us from getting back for dinner.
Guys, you ready?
Alright Maniacs, even though this GoPro Hero 9 records pretty decent footage at night, the ride back was pretty tame and uneventful. I appreciate you giving me a bit of your time to share my experience. Don't forget to smash that like button and please, share this footage with your riding buddies.